皆さん、こんにちは。エイディ株式会社の安藤です。今回の動画は、Adalo初心者が知っておくべき3つのポイントについて解説いたします。今回はですね、旅行をした場所を管理するアプリを例にして解説しています。一つ目の要素がコンポーネントと呼ばれているものです。構成要素です。例えば画像のリストだったりとか、そういった要素をドラッグ&ドロップでスクリーンに追加するようなものということで紹介しています。次、二つ目がデータベースです。データベースはアプリのユーザーの情報だったりとか、投稿した旅行の情報だったりとか、そういったものをデータベースと呼んでいて、コレクションとして表示されるという解説がされています。次にアクションです。動作ですね。これはボタンなどに動作を割り当てて、そのボタンを押すと次のスクリーンに行くとか、ホームスクリーンの画面に戻るとか、設定できるということで紹介をしています。それでは本編の動画をご覧ください。
Hi, and welcome to Adalo. Here are the 3 things you need to know to get started. The first is components. You can click the plus button to see all the different kinds of components you can add to your screens. Like, for example, you can add this list, or you can add other things as well. And they're all categorized here, so I can add a button as well to my screen here. The next thing you need to know about is data. Here you can see all the collections in your app's database. Collections are the things that people can see or make with your app. Here I've got 2 collections, users and trips. You can also see all the properties for each collection. So each trip has a name, description, image, and a relationship to the user who created it. The last thing you need to know about is actions. Right now, this button doesn't do anything, so we need to add an action. In this case, it's going to be a link to the new trip screen. Now, whenever a user presses this button, they'll be taken over here to the new trip screen. But what's really exciting is when you combine components, data, and actions together. So on this new trip screen, I can connect this form to my trips collection. And now on the submit button, there's 2 actions, one to create the trip and one to link back to the home screen. Then on my home screen, I can connect this list to my trips collection as well. And now it's a list of trips. I can also add an action so that whenever a user clicks on one of the trips in the list, they can be linked to the trip details screen. Then I can customize my trip details screen so that the title is actually the name of the trip by clicking on the magic text icon and choosing the current trip's name. So there you go. That's it. Components, data, and actions. The 3 things you need to know to get started with Adalo.